Are you looking for an easy and convenient way to boost your nutrient intake and improve your overall health? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of incorporating vegan meal replacement shakes into your diet. Whether you're following a vegan lifestyle, looking to lose weight, or simply want to add more plant-based options to your meals, these shakes can be a game changer. One of the major advantages of vegan meal replacement shakes is their convenience. In our busy lives, it can be challenging to prepare nutritious meals every day. With meal replacement shakes, you can easily get a well-rounded and balanced meal in just minutes. Say goodbye to spending hours in the kitchen. Vegan meal replacement shakes are designed to provide complete and balanced nutrition. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients, such as protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. By incorporating these shakes into your diet, you can ensure that you're meeting your nutritional needs without any guesswork. If you're looking to manage your weight or shed a few pounds, vegan meal replacement shakes can be a valuable tool. These shakes are often low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a satisfying and filling option. By replacing a high-calorie meal with a shake, you can reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. Many vegan meal replacement shakes contain ingredients that are beneficial for digestive health. They may include fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. These shakes can help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and maintain bowel regularity. Gone are the days of boring and bland meal replacement shakes. Nowadays, there's a wide range of vegan flavors and options available. You can choose from chocolate, vanilla, berry, and even tropical flavors. With such variety, you'll never get bored of your shakes and can easily find your favorite combination. Incorporating vegan meal replacement shakes into your diet can offer numerous benefits, including convenience, complete nutrition, weight management support, improved digestive health, and versatile flavors. Whether you're on the go, trying to lose weight, or simply want to optimize your nutrition, these shakes can be a fantastic addition to your daily routine.